paper towel or something? Whose was this? I hope there's no snot in it. That's really gross. Ew. Can you go get me a wet face cloth so I can wipe your saliva off because it'll stink? That's not fucking funny! Go do a tour. Go do a tour.
Do a tour.
No. I ain't gonna punch in the head. Go ahead. Oh, stop! Stop! You are in for it today, Howie.
Oh,
Get away!
what's wrong?
Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Holy fuck!
I love you.
I love you too!
What's wrong?
No, watch my glasses. I don't want to ruin them. Ow. 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 Oh. I'm so done.
Are you gonna poop yourself?
No, I'm not. No, you won't. You're gonna do something. You're hurting my shoulder. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose it today. Okay. The camera can go away now, okay? Stop. You got me on video, don't you? She's documenting this whole fucking thing. Kim, why'd you let her do that? Howie, I've had enough, okay? Yes, I have. Sit down and relax.
Why?
You're being, like, super irritating. No, and it's not how you feel all the time, so don't say it. Ow.
I have tears in my eyes.
He's a jerk. I smell lilacs.